Interesting things are happening between Volkswagen and Tesla, between Herbert Diess and Elon Musk. The Volkswagen executives did not expect this at their meeting in Alpbach, Austria last Thursday, after his lecture in which he had once again warned against US rival Tesla. Volkswagen boss Herbert Diess unceremoniously switched the phone and switched Elon Musk and added him to the discussion at the Volkswagen executive conference on that Thursday evening. The Handelsblatt learned this from participants, and in this report, I'm going to go into the details about what happened and who said what. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, and also give us thumbs up if you find this presentation interesting. According to German publication Handelsblatt sources, the Volkswagen CEO, this included Elon Musk at Volkswagen's executive summit last week. Musk explained what's behind Tesla's high productivity and dispelled concerns about electric mobility. That's, I believe, unprecedented in the industry, but the right step. Great move from CEO Diess, and a big thanks to Elon Musk, showing he is not the enemy but a friend when it comes to electric cars and electric mobility and automotive industry. Elon says, Volkswagen is an icon. I drove various Volkswagen models and a Porsche 911 myself for a long time. This asked why Tesla is so much faster than the automakers. Musk replied, it's the leadership style. I'm an engineer first and foremost, and besides cars, I'm fascinated by supply chains, logistics, and production processes. The Volkswagen Group will master the change, Elon said. He says Volkswagen, as his biggest challenger, Tesla must become even faster and more productive than other car companies. Despite all our successes, we still have to get better. This is what was said at the conference. Reuters also reported on this topic and confirms this development, reporting Tesla boss Elon Musk has addressed 200 Volkswagen executives via a video call after an invitation from the German carmaker CEO Herbert Diess, who wants to galvanize Volkswagen's top brass for a faster pivot to electric vehicles. The comments on Thursday by Elon Musk to a Volkswagen managers gathering in Albach, Austria, confirmed by Diess via Twitter on Saturday after a report in Handelsblatt Daily included praise of Volkswagen for being an icon and Tesla's greatest challenger. Handelsblatt said the paper said that when asked by Diess why Tesla was more nimble than its rivals, Elon Musk said it came down to his management style, just like what I said. And I guess it's important to be an engineer, very important if you are in a car manufacturing. And it's important to be a good musician if you are heading a conservatory, and good professor if you are heading a university, right? In a post on LinkedIn, Volkswagen's Herbert Diess added that he had brought in Elon Musk as a surprise guest to drive home the point that Volkswagen needs faster decisions and less bureaucracy for what he called the biggest transformation in Volkswagen's history. Here's a quote. Happy to hear that even our strongest competitor thinks that we will succeed in the transition if we drive the transformation with full power. This said on LinkedIn. By the way, his LinkedIn account is very vibrant. I recommend you follow that. As an example of Tesla's prowess, Diess said it took the rival only 2 to 3 weeks to rewrite software to allow for a switch from one type of microchip which went out of stock to another. Diess said in his Saturday tweet that Volkswagen, which has emerged as the main contender to Tesla for global electric vehicle supremacy, would continue its dialogue with Tesla. Here's what he said. He said, we will visit you soon in Grünheide. The CEO said this warned last month that the planned opening of Tesla's car factory in Grünheide near Berlin, known as Giga Berlin, the company's first in Europe, will force local industry to step up its game against the fast-growing US electric vehicle maker. Tesla is awaiting final building approval for the 5.8 billion euro German gigafactory Giga Berlin. That's $6.8 billion, huge money. Volkswagen in turn plans to build 6 large battery factories in Europe by 2030 as part of an all-in bet on electric mobility. The focus of the conference was to get Volkswagen executives on board with the massive changes Volkswagen will need to make to confront the challenging auto industry. These recognize that Volkswagen did many things right in the past. In the old world, Volkswagen is strong, but there is no guarantees for the new world, the electric mobility world. He wants Volkswagen to make faster decisions, less bureaucracy, more responsibility. Faster decisions with less bureaucracy and more responsibility is key for success. As an example of this, keynote speaker Erin Meyer spoke about Netflix's transformation from DVD to streaming to content production, and this spoke with Musk about the reasons Tesla is more nimble than its rivals. Elon Musk reportedly answered that Tesla is more nimble due to his management style and because he is first and foremost an engineer with an eye for supply chain, logistics and productions. This is very important these days because we're having problems with supply chains. I went to Costco today, actually Sam's Club, there is no chicken there, supply chain problem. This gave an example that Volkswagen is able to handle current shortages of industry supply chain, and showing the example of Tesla, that Tesla is handling really well how they're managing, rewriting the software for the supply chain to overcome the problems caused by supply chain. Musk stated that Volkswagen will succeed in the transition to electric vehicles, and both consider the other company as their strongest competitor. This also stated that he plans to visit Tesla's Gigafactory in Berlin, Grünheide. I personally would like to visit there as well. Other car makers have suffered difficulty in the past in getting top executives on board with the transition to electric vehicles. One prominent example was former BMW CEO Harald Krüger, who became CEO in 2015. He came in with a vision to expand BMW's electric offerings, but was faced with significant internal resistance from upper BMW executives, according to sources within BMW's electric division. Reports Electrek. In 2019, Krüger resigned as CEO, citing his failure to spur BMW's EV transition. Friends, I think it's a really good thing that Volkswagen is inviting Tesla to say a word of wisdom. Maybe other companies can invite Tesla, or maybe Tesla one day can invite another executive from a fellow industry to say a word of wisdom. For example, I would like to hear what Toyota CEO could say to Tesla executives. I think that would be very interesting. Or what Elon Musk could say to Toyota executives. So what do you think, friends? Let me know your thoughts. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Have a great day. Peace be with all of you. God bless you, everyone. And I would really appreciate if you would give us thumbs up for this video if you found it helpful. I'll see you soon in our next report.